Discovering the ultimate electric off-road bike can be an arduous task, with a seemingly endless array of choices available. To simplify the process and ensure that you get the best off-road electric bike, we have tested a multitude of top-rated e-bikes, meticulously evaluating them for exceptional shock absorption and suspension systems so you can tackle challenging terrain with ease. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric off-road bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Aventon Adventure 2. The Aventon Adventure 2 is the ultimate e-bike for riders seeking a versatile and powerful ride. With a price point of just $1,899, this Class 2 or 3 e-bike is the perfect blend of urban and off-road capabilities, equipped with a 750-watt brushless hub motor and a 48-volt, 720-watt-hour battery. What sets the Adventure 2 apart is its added components, including a torque sensor and a reduced price. The 6061 aluminum frame boasts smooth welds, tidy integration, and easy-access electronics and cabling, making it easy to handle on any terrain. Riding the Adventure 2 is pure joy, with its massive 4-inch tires and 80mm of fork suspension. It offers great grip and smooth handling on bumpy surfaces and performs exceptionally well for light mixed terrain touring with its high payload capacity and powerful electronics. With a range of up to 60 miles and a weight of 77 pounds, this e-bike is perfect for commuters and urban transport. The Aventon Adventure 2 is the perfect combination of power, versatility, and affordability. Experience the ultimate ride for yourself today. Number 4. Cannondale Moterra Neo 4. The Cannondale Moterra Neo 4 is the ultimate electric mountain bike for the most adventurous riders, offering unparalleled performance and technology. With its 150mm suspension in the front and rear, you can tackle the most challenging terrains with ease. The Shimano Steps EP8 motor with 85 Nm of torque and a 630 watt-hour battery will keep you going all day with a range of up to 75 miles. The SRAM-SX Eagle 12-speed drivetrain with an 1150T cassette provides smooth and precise shifting, while the Shimano MT400 hydraulic discs give you ultimate stopping power. The RockShox 35 Silver R fork and Deluxe Select R shock with the proprietary 4-bar platform offer the perfect balance of efficiency and traction, giving you a smooth and comfortable ride. The Maxxis Recon 29 by 2.6-inch tires and Trans X dropper post complete the package. However, the dropper post could be better for a bike at this price point. If you're looking for the best off-road electric bike, the Cannondale Moterra Neo 4 is the one for you. With a price of $5,900, it's an investment in the ultimate riding experience. Number 3. Juiced Bike's RipCurrent S. The Juiced Bike's RipCurrent S is the epitome of a rugged and powerful fat tire e-bike that's sure to turn heads. Sporting an almost as wide down to as the tires themselves, this e-bike screams boldness and strength. It's available in a range of colors, including silver, matte black, and red, giving you the freedom to express your personal style. Designed to protect you from debris, the RipCurrent S comes with plastic fenders, while the sturdy rear rack can accommodate weights of up to 55 pounds. The Cell Royal look-in saddle ensures a comfortable ride, even on long trips, though it may limit the cargo you can carry. With 26 by 4-inch Kenda tires, this e-bike is built for speed and control thanks to the 750-watt Beifeng hub motor. You can reach top speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, and the torque and cadence sensors make for a smoother and more controllable ride. Priced at $2,399, the RipCurrent S is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performing. So why wait? Get ready to ride in style and comfort with the Juiced Bike's RipCurrent S. Number 2. Rad Power Bike's RadRover 6 Plus. The RadRover 6 Plus is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a smooth, easy-to-assemble electric bike. This model stands out for its puncture-proof tires and clean design. The 2-hour assembly process is a breeze, and the inclusion of front and rear fenders ensure a comfortable ride, even on muddy terrain. With a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour and a high-capacity 672 watt-hour battery, this bike can take riders up to 45 miles on a single charge, with a weight limit of 275 pounds. The dual displays on the handlebar provide riders with important information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled, while the throttle ensures a smooth acceleration experience. The 5 levels of pedal assist allow riders to choose their preferred speed, and the LED headlight provides excellent visibility. The hydraulic disc brakes ensure a quick and safe stop, and the 750-watt geared hub motor easily handles inclines. The Rad Power RadRover 6 Plus electric bike is available for $2,099 on the official Rad Power Bikes website and comes equipped with 26 by 4.0 inches fat tires that can handle any terrain with ease. Number 1. Orbea Karam. Experience the thrill of electric mountain biking without breaking the bank with the Orbea Karam. This sleek aluminum hardtail is built to handle XC-style trails, long-range bikepacking trips, and even urban riding. Featuring full integration of electronics and dual battery capacity, the Keram packs a punch with Bosch's Active Line 40 Nm mid-drive motor. The 400 watt-hour battery provides ample support for tackling short, steep hills on the trail. Equipped with Shimano's 10-speed door setup and MT200 hydraulic disc brakes, this e-bike offers a reliable and solid combination for only $2,999. The Keram also features a heavy-duty 100mm Suntour X1 fork to absorb mild hits and Cannondale 1153 2.35-inch tires, perfect for rolling fast on dry terrain. Whether you're an experienced rider or new to the world of electric mountain biking, the Orbea Karam is a great choice for anyone who wants to hit the trails with confidence. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.